Hey everyone, I'm Mark Saltzman. You likely know a dashcam can capture video footage of an incident or an accident, but some models go above and beyond. The Nextbase IQ is billed as the world's first smart dashcam, as it combines tech that we've learned to love at home for your car, and all accessible via an app. Whether your car's bumped in a parking lot or an intruder is attempting to enter your vehicle, real-time event notifications are sent to your phone, wherever you are, so you're in the know and have evidence in the palm of your hand. Beyond that, feel at ease knowing that you can see what's happening in and around your vehicle anytime, even when you're not inside of it, through Live View in the IQ app. Nextbase IQ even includes a second camera for video inside your car to record a traffic stop or road rage incident. Simply say, Dashcam, start witness mode to share live footage with an emergency contact. There's a lot more to the Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam at nextbase.ca. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.